Hi everyone. Let's start with the fifth section, malware detection. In this section, we'll be working with malware detection, installing tools like AIDE, Advanced Intrusion Detection Environment, and doing some baseline with functionality checks, work with AIDE, installing rootkit hunters for Linux, and working with malware detection tools. Video 1. Installing AIDE, Advanced Intrusion Detection Environment. Video 2. Baseline checks and functionality. Video 3. Working with AIDE. Video 4. Installing rootkit hunters. Video 5. Working with Linux malware detection. We'll be installing AIDE, the Advanced Intrusion Detection Environment. Before we proceed, let's take a look at the slide. AIDE gives you the ability to manage any changes within files and directories. AIDE can also help Linux administrators figure out specifically what has been altered in a Linux file system. AIDE is a file integrity scanner. Let's get started. Boot up your CentOS machine and install AIDE. To become a root user, just type SU and include your password, and let's install. Yum install AIDE, and this will go ahead and install the necessary packages. After that, let's head to the Ubuntu OS and let's install AIDE using the terminal. Use sudo su to become the super user, and let's install AIDE. Type sudo apt-get install AIDE, and this will install the necessary packages and dependencies. Let's head back to CentOS and select Y for yes for the installation completions. Then head back to Ubuntu to check if our installations have been completed. Wait for the installations. We can also check the CentOS installations and see if it's done. Installations on AIDE for CentOS is complete. Now type AIDE-V. This will show us the version of AIDE, which is version 0.15.1 version. And the configurations file is in the /etc/aide.conf file. We can run the same AIDE-V to check the version installed on Ubuntu. That's all for this video.